Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a Create This Book episode. I am not sure what episode this is, but I just recently posted one last month, so if you guys are interested in watching that, I will make sure to leave a link to it in the description box. That's where I did over the front cover of my book, which is super exciting because now it looks really cool. So today I'm going to be doing 3 pages on camera and also showing you another page that I did off camera in my Create This Book. So let's get started. The first page that I completed says create a fabric page. Attach a piece of fabric to this page. So I decided to doodle this little bathroom on this page, and then I chose a piece of fabric. I did this black and white floral design, and I'm going to be using that as the shower curtain for the page. So the first thing I did was just sketch out a basic design on here. I was going for a pretty like black and white minimalistic type of look, and after sketching that out I went in with different colored markers to color the whole thing. So as you can see where the sink is, I did this brown wooden base, and then the top is this light gray type of countertop, and I have a bunch of different plants, and all of the hardware is in black. And I had a lot of fun drawing and coloring this just because this would be like my dream bathroom. I had this really cute circular mirror, and then I just added in some details with this super light gray Tombow marker that looks really good just because it's not super bright and it just adds a nice little shadow to it. Here is my bathtub, and I just drew that out. And for the top where the shower curtain is going, I started by drawing the actual shower rod on the page, and then later on I added one inside of the shower curtain so it would look more realistic, like the shower curtain was actually on the rod, if that makes sense. I have this super cute little woven mat and some tile flooring and some more plants, and I just had a lot of fun drawing this. I added some extra details with a white gel pen and a fine liner. And then I took my piece of fabric and I cut it to the right size to fit the shower curtain area, and I added some pleats in it by just folding it down and then ironing it. At the top I used a Sharpie marker to outline where the shower rod was going to go through, and then I used a hole puncher to make some holes in there. I added a separate piece of paper to go through the actual piece of fabric, and then I glued that all onto the shower rod with some hot glue. And that is how the page turned out. I'm super happy with it, and I love the color scheme so much. The next page says create letters. Fill this page with letters for the aesthetic value rather than writing words. So I use my calligraphy to do this page. I chose some various colors of my favorite Tombow markers in this cute color scheme, and I just went crazy putting different letters all over the page, and I kind of tried to attach them to make them into words, but I mean it didn't really work out. It ended up just being more random than in an actual order, which is fine because I think it looks pretty, which counts for the aesthetic value. And then with a black marker I added some drop shadows onto all of the letters, which took a very long time. And then later on I decided to add a little background to it, so I made these like random lines with a pencil, and then I colored in some stripes with a light gray mild liner in between all of the letters. I think this makes the background look a little bit more interesting and just adds a subtle extra little layer of dimension. And lastly, to tie the page together, I used my white gel pen to add a highlight on all of the letters. I mostly did the darker ones just because it didn't really show up on the lighter green, But yeah, that is how the page turned out. I'm super happy with it, and I really like how the colors all look together. This next page says create a page for stickers. Place stickers all over this page, which is a super fun and easy one. So I pulled out a very large box of stickers. Lots of them are just like random different things, so there wasn't a common theme. And then I just kind of went crazy and put them all over the page. And once that was done, I used these colorful Tombow markers that are a pretty fine point, and I outlined all of the stickers. I tried to do corresponding colors with the color of the stickers, and let me tell you, it took a long time, but I think it looked cool in the end. So pretty much if it was a blue colored sticker, I used the blue marker, and etc, etc, and then I continued to add lines around all of the stickers until the entire page was all covered with lines. And here is a look at the final page. This was really fun to do, and I found it really therapeutic to just put stickers all over the page. So I really enjoyed making this page, and I think it also just looks really pretty because it's so colorful and fun. So yeah, that is how this one turned out. And the final page, which I unfortunately did not do on camera, says create a pet, make a page for the pet, and then give the pet a name. So I really like cats, so my pet is a cat. Her name is Lucy, and I drew this all out with a fine liner, and then I painted it all in with some watercolor. So she has this cute little cat house, and her dish of food, which doesn't have any food in it, has her name on it. She has this cute little collar and some bows in her hair, and then also some toys are on the page. I had a lot of fun making this, and I think the color scheme is really cute. It's all pink and purple, and yeah. So those are all of my pages, and here is just a quick little flip through of all 4 of them. You guys should let me know in the comments which one out of the 4 was your favorite. I think mine would have to be the bathroom one, just because I'm so obsessed with that bathroom and I wish it was mine. But yeah, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear and respond to your comments, and I think that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in watching more Create This Book videos in the future. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and see you in my next video. Bye!